Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I just have a few little Christmas embellishments and little crafty projects that I created in the past few days and I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to show you are these super cute little Christmas cards that I made using Tanya Lay Designs 25th of December collection. If you guys haven't checked out that collection, you definitely should. She totally went all out on it and it's super cute. These are some of the pieces that come in the collection. So you get like that paper, you get some cute little die cuts, some stickers. These are more of the papers that I've dug into. And you get some more of these. These are other papers that you get in the collection. Then there's this one with the cute little ornaments. You get some numbers if you're working on a December daily. And then you get more of these. I think these are the stickers and the other ones, oh, these are the die cuts. Super cute. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely go check it out. I'll have her link down below so you guys can go check out that collection. And I think it's like $5, which is super cheap and it's adorable. And I'm sure you can make a bunch of stuff with it. But this is a cute little card that I made. And I just added a bunch of little gems to the tree just to kind of like add a little extra, a cute little acrylic bow, some pom-poms to her hair. And I think it came out adorable. I absolutely love this card. I add a little word sticker here that says it's beginning to look like Christmas. Love the pink, love the mint. You guys know that those are my colors. The other one that I created was this one. I did the little tear paper look, which I love. I propped up the deer, added a little bow, some cute little snowflake, like little felt snowflakes with some gems from Michaels, and then like propped up one of the little die cuts from the collection. So cute, you guys. These colors are adorable and I cannot wait to make some more. I also created some of these little barnyard doors. I made them in a Christmas theme. You guys know I did these for Halloween. So I decided to make some for Christmas. I had these little wreaths in my collection and decided to add them to the doors and these cute little owl stickers that I had from Michaels last year. And you guys, I think they turned out so cute. Look at that. You can add them to any project. You can use a card to make them. And this die, if you guys don't remember, I had picked it up from AliExpress. And this is the stamp set. And then I also got the die set. So you can make, when I had first made these, I only had the stamp set. I think I said that in the video, but then I ended up getting the dies. And the dies actually have the hardware. So I haven't played around with this one yet, but I cannot wait. But you actually have the hardware to make it look like an actual barnyard door. So I'm going to be making some cards like that. And then the last few projects I want to show you guys. This is also using the Tanya Lay 25th of December collection. Are these cute little lanterns. I did them as little shakers and some cute little ribbon. Hold on one second, you guys. My phone is dying and I just want to, oops, might be a little shaky. There you go. So this is what they look like. So I made like the little inside, like a little shaker. And then I added some gemstones right here, some ribbon, that cute little girl in her collection, some word stickers, and I absolutely love them. I think they turned out so cute. And this one I had made when I first got the die just to try it out, and I think it also came out super cute with this like polka dot red paper, and it says deck the halls. So I did this one, and to make those I used an AliExpress die, which is this one. I'll also have a link down below. Just make sure you guys pick the large one because you might get a smaller one, and this is the biggest size. It's the best one. But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Fast, quick, to the point. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.